I've been away from YouTube way longer than I have been now, but I literally just had to go get like a refresher to see how I come and do my intro. Like, bruh. Well, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I hope you stick around and you end up subscribing to me. But yeah, my name is Brianna. My channel for right now, it seems like it's taking the unboxing road, but I swear I only have like one more purse left, and then it's going to get to, you know, the regular chit chats, and I want to incorporate story times in my channel. So if that's something you're into, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're really feeling jazzy, to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a video. So I'm not going to hold y'all today with a super long intro or anything. I'm just going to get right into, you know, the little bag I got. So as you can see by the title, I got this Tory Burch Emerson envelope shoulder bag. It's adjustable strap and everything. And I got that in the color Cardamom. I might be saying it wrong, but Cardamom. You see it, Cardamom. It's like what I always call a cognac color, but I think NCM calls it cognac. And it is style number 78604. So, but the thing is, I did get this from an outlet store a couple of months ago. So you will probably have to get it off of a site like Mercari, get somebody who's like reselling the bag. But you know, I just got mine a couple of months ago and I just hadn't opened it yet, and I'm like, oh, let me show y'all this bag. And then I'm also always trying to get some type of matching wallet, so I did get the slim card case that holds like 4 cards, and it has a center that you can like put your money in or the rest of your cards in. So I just got something small so I could hold, you know, my main credit cards that I take out when I carry that purse. So of course it's still in its bag, just waiting and being neglected because I'm like, oh, I'm gonna film it. But here we go. So here is the bag, still in its packaging. It's really pretty, and it has gold hardware. Typically I'm into silver, but I mean, this bag didn't come with silver hardware, and I mean, with the color, I don't think it would have looked as good as what's showing right now, the gold hardware. Got the little emblem in the front. So of course I'm gonna open it. It's envelope style. Still has all this junk in there. I'm just gonna empty it out. It has one compartment. And 2 inner pockets, and then it also has the pocket on the back, of course. I'm gonna get all this paper off and I'll be right back. I got all the paper off. Here is the purse. I just left the tag on there. Here's the chain to the purse, and it's adjustable because if you want to shorten it, you just grab it like that, then it's a little bit shorter. And like I previously said in a different video, like I try to get out of just buying a black purse, even though you can never go wrong with a black purse. But this is so pretty, and then I mean, it's like casual. You can wear this with your jeans. I feel like it would go perfect with jeans. And then if you're fancy, you can still dress it up formally. And then also, I guess you would consider this a medium-sized bag. Like, I'm usually staying around this size. I've gotten to the point where, like, I hate a huge purse because, I mean, it's just nothing but weight. Because if I have a huge purse, I am going to fill it up. But yeah, this is so pretty. And that's inside again. You know, it's big enough to fit the essentials. And also, here is the slim card case. It fits 4 cards, and then it has a center. So, you know, I guess you would put your money in there, which I wouldn't do it because then it'll make it like, you know, kind of thick. Right now, there's the tag in there, and I'll discuss the price. But yeah, it matches. It's the same exact color as the purse. So These are so pretty. I cannot wait to transfer all of my stuff from my other purse into this one, because this is up next. Especially it's been revealed to y'all now. I've been sleeping on this purse because I'm like, I need to do a video on it first. But here y'all go. Y'all know I don't have a pedestal to put behind me with this purse sitting up there so I could talk about it. So I'm gonna just hold it up high because I think this is the cutest little purse and I'm proud of it. So like I said earlier, I did get this from an outlet store. I got this from the outlet store in Kansas City, along with the wallet, of course. And it's Emerson envelope, and it's the Emerson card slot case. And so the purse was $398 original price, and it was 50% off at the outlet. So I mean, I paid $199 for that. And then so let me see, the little card wallet, look at me trying to ease in a thumbnail photo. This was $85, so you know this was $42.50 for this, and I could not walk out without something to match this purse because I'm like, I just ooh. And so yeah, I kept it simple. I didn't go splurge like I did at the Kate Spade. I just got this one purse and a matching card slot to carry my credit cards, and I left it at that. And I guess I could do how it hangs, but I really don't want to stand up in front of the camera like I did in the last video with the Marc Jacobs purse because I am fat. But you see how it is on my arm. That's if you have it short. And I'm sure most people, when they have it with the shorter chain, they just hold it like that. Or you can have it the long way so you can do a crossbody. So yeah. So once again, thank you for watching this video. I am glad you took the time to watch it. If you did like it, please hit that thumbs up button. If you aren't subscribed already, don't forget to also press the subscribe button and be on the lookout for more content because there's another bag coming after this. And it's the Kurt Geiger bag, and I think that is the cutest bag ever. And that's it. I'm done after that. I'm taking a little break from buying these purses because I need to start breaking a lot of the ones that I have in already. So I'll catch y'all next time.